Good morning and welcome. It's the 19th of April and it's just after 9 o'clock. A bit late today, but we'll start with the AUD USD. This has had a lovely short last night, and I really want to get. This is coming now. This is one. This is the third time it's coming down to test this 75 level, and I think there's a good chance we could break through here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to protect my positions that I've got, and I'm going to put yet another trade in this short. There we go. So I just go up onto the tools here. I'll put another trade in short. So basically every position that we've got here has got a stop on it. Maybe not that one. It's just, yeah, we've got to stop on all the positions there, and I've got something like about £11 now short the AUD USD, and no, that is the way to get to overtrade safely. That's a lot of short positions on that one pair, and yeah, hopefully that'll short for us. Our JPY, it's in an oversold position at the moment. I'm looking to short it. If we get a correction to the upside, I will go short on it. Euro JPY, this is actually entering into a correction. It started going up again. I half got out at the bottom here, but I didn't. I thought I'd let it run. I've got my stop loss on. We'll see what happens with that. Euro USD, I am short this again. I got in last night. I'm about at entry. The black line was where I got knocked out before, so I'm happy to have taken this position again. Which the RSI is just bouncing off the 50. Yeah, this is a weekly chart. Let me just put it onto the daily. There we are. That's a bit better. We haven't actually crossed the trend line yet, but the commitment of traders is bearish of this, and I want to go short, so I've got a small trade in. GB AUD, oh dear, commiserations. I got out here at the turquoise line. That was a turning point historically, and I could have doubled, but hey ho, I got a good trade. I think I took 250 pips and I got two trades on it. So sadly I could have done better, but I did try, and that's what counts. Oil, that's what I got on my oil this morning. So I had a short trade which I'm knocked out of, and I don't know what's happened. I'm going to get onto the broker a bit later, see what's happening, but I got knocked out for a very small loss. SP 500, I'm still pleased to say that the monthly has gone back up above the 69.1. So we'll see what happens later on today, but I've got this trend line in here. It's still staying short of it. We're short on the daily and the weekly. Actually broken my trend line down here. It will be interesting to see what happens with that, but I quite honestly, I would not put money long on the S&P 500. I view it as way overbought. You know, go up onto the monthly here. Yeah, it's at the top of the Bollinger Band on the monthly. So, you know, I don't know which brave soul is going to make it go up some more, but it won't be me. Now, here we go. AUD CAD. I was back short this yesterday. It's been suggested that it might long, but the commitment of traders is short, and it's bounced off the 20-day moving average. We're still short of the 50 on the RSI, and the stochastic is looking short. So I'm going to go short on this pair. I only have a small position, but no, I think that's going to follow through for me. Euro dollar I've already done. Euro GBP oversold at the moment, bottom of the Bollinger Band. Um, if you're going to go short a euro, the euro dollar looks fairly good today, better than that. So I would leave that alone. The silver, it's on the third day shorting. I'm actually in profit on my one trade. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll see the commitment to traders on silver on Friday. USD JPY, I kind of think this is going to bounce. It's just got the look about it. Excuse me. It's got the look about it where we've been short this for a long time. It looks due that it's due a correction, maybe back up to about 110. I have absolutely no evidence for this at all. The commitment to traders is not as long the Japanese yen as it was. I don't know, but I'm not in it. I'm not putting my money on that at the moment. The Mexican peso has weakened again against the dollar, so we have got 2 days now where we've had a green candle, and the RSI is pointing up, so is the stochastic. I'm ever hopeful. This was my one big trade for this month. I thought I was going to do well with this, but it sort of bottomed out a bit on me. USD CAD, this is doing surprisingly well. I got knocked out. 2 trades I had, one here at the turquoise line and one up here somewhere. I got knocked out of both. I didn't feel that inspired, shall we say, to get back into it. But there you have it. And just to depress me even more, I'm just looking at the way the oil price has actually gone down a little bit since I got knocked out the trade. So there you have it. Thank you everybody for watching, and thanks for your likes and subscriptions. Really appreciate them, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye now.